Hey guys, this is Britt Treese from WB Treese Consultants, looking somewhat angelic in this beautiful lighting, and talking to you today about the life safety and fire protection features on a multifamily building that actually has exterior walkways. So what we're seeing behind me here is the exit sign and the emergency lighting. We are seeing, let me back up, the fire and smoke alarm. Another set of emergency lighting here. Way over there, we have a sprinkler head. And then over on the opposite wall, we have a fire extinguisher. Now this area is considered the egress path in an emergency. So the stairwells going down below have to also follow the state and local codes for egress paths. If you want to learn more, look at Code Check Commercial, look at our materials regarding codes, look at the North Carolina Building Code or whatever state you're in. There's also some great resources out there for home inspectors and commercial inspectors. We train home inspectors and commercial inspectors nationwide, and we also perform these PCA inspections on multifamily properties. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks.